Hi, welcome to The More You Know. I'm Ashanae, and this channel is designed to cover all things AI. Whether you're new to AI or looking to deepen your understanding, the More You Know exists to make complex technology understandable, relatable, and empowering. Knowledge is power, and in the age of AI, understanding matters. So, understanding artificial intelligence, I like to know the definition of words, the foundation of things, just to have an overall understanding of the root of things so that I can further understand what it's about. Definition of AI. What is artificial? So, artificial refers to anything that is made or produced by humans, um, and it's not naturally occurring in the environment. Intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills, such as problem solving, learning, adapting to new situations, and just forming the basis for intelligent behavior. Now, intelligence in AI refers to the ability of machine learning and how the machines they are learning from data that's being provided to them. And in order so, they are able to solve problems and adapt to new situations, simulating human capabilities. So as you can see, there's a difference of the word intelligence when it comes to human, right? It's something that we have to learn. We go to school to acquire knowledge, or we read a book, or a dummy from Microsoft, to acquire knowledge and to apply that knowledge. However, AI needs humans to provide knowledge for it to learn from it to be able to solve problems and adapt to new situations. AI concepts explained. Understanding AI involves recognizing two main categories. There's narrow AI and general AI. And narrow is artificial intelligence designed to perform one specific task. They have no self awareness. They cannot think outside its program, and it learns only within a defined boundary, i.e., Siri, ChatGPT, and the other AI tools that are there. And some examples of what narrow AI provides is voice assistance, recommendations, like Netflix, how it recommends movies or shows to watch, or even YouTube channels. So that is basically narrow AI. So narrow AI, simply explained, is like a specialist, is excellent at one job but can't do anything outside that role. However, general AI is a theoretical form of AI that can understand, learn, and apply intelligence across many different tasks, similar to a human. The characteristics of general AI is that they can reason across domains, learn independently, adapt to new situations without reprogramming, and it exhibits human level understanding. So those are the key difference in the two main categories of AI, narrow and general. Now, the core technologies that's underpinning AI is machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. And the machine learning allows systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Neural networks are inspired by the human brain structure. If you think of neural networks, what comes to mind right now is Neuralink, perhaps. Now, language processing focuses on enabling machines to comprehend and interact using human languages, bridging communication between technology and users effectively. Why AI matters? It matters, because AI is everywhere, right? It is um, in our every day to day life. It's what helps us get to A to B, helps us decide on what to make for dinner. AI plays a crucial role in enhancing productivity. So when it comes to enhancing productivity, when it comes to mind, especially for businesses, is automation. Is where the business can run 24/7.
Robots are involved in every part of the food supply chain, starting with agriculture for harvesting and monitoring crops. Livestock farmers are using robotics to feed, milk, manage, and clean animals. During processing, raw food is cleaned, sorted, cooked, or baked, packaged, and transported. And robotics and automation are already well integrated into the warehousing stage.
So by automating repetitive tasks, AI allows professionals to focus on higher level decision making and creative processes. Moreover, it facilitates innovation by analyzing vast amounts of data to identify trends and opportunities, leading to new products and services. And then understanding the significance of AI is vital because for decision making in business and government, AI helps, we can use different tools to leverage organizations and process data quickly, improve outcomes and like in healthcare, finance, and customer service. For customer service, what comes to mind is called chatbots. And this is also something that I will be covering in future videos. In healthcare, AI helps with providing patients' data and charts more efficiently and accurately. AI powered tools are becoming um, more and more necessary in daily lives, right? Like you can't escape it. It's here. So why not adapt and learn and grow with it versus thinking of it as a replacement? Just use it, for the right reasons and you'll be all right. So just a timeline here. So 1943 is like they were thinking, can machines think? This is where AI begins as philosophy and mathematics, not as technology. Moving on some years, in 1956 is considered the genesis of AI. That's when the term came about, and that's when it came about: human-like reasoning, problem solving, and learning machines. 1970s, important lesson: AI development requires data and computing power. And then 1997, when the machine beats a human in chess. I vaguely remember hearing this in the news as a child, but mind you, I was in fourth grade. And then going to 2010, between 2010 and 2019 is when the big data and deep learning accelerated. This is due to explosion of internet data, cloud computing, and GPUs. This is more of the rise of deep learning and neural networks, where it began to recognize images and speech. And then today, it is mainstream, is definitely more mainstream, smarter, more autonomous. Um, and then expected developments is for AI agents that act independently. There will be more personalized AI assistants. Human AI collaborations is on the rise. AI shift from tools to partners in the future. And the long term vision, 2035 and beyond, it that can reason across domains like humans. And it's definitely much more philosophical as it is technical. AI agents that will be definitely act more independently. And so there just comes the questions, right? About control and ethical responsibility and economic impact. Um, how will we shape job markets? Even though they're out there saying, "Oh, it's going to replace A, B, and C," but really, guys, it's just time to what's it called? Reclass, relearn things, learn a new trade. Not to be apprehensive against AI, but use it to adapt with it, learn with it, grow with it, and use the tools now to change your career. There's endless possibilities right now to implement AI for more than just your everyday life. Use it to build your business. Use it to leverage something that you wanted to do for so long and didn't have the tools or the time to do it. And AI can do it Just snap of my fingers. The diverse applications of artificial intelligence. We have the autonomous vehicles, self-driving vehicles as like Waymo. I don't know if you're aware of Waymo, if you've seen Waymo. I know they be driving up and down my area. So they have AI technology in them, medical diagnosis, helping healthcare professionals generate data more efficiently and images more clearly, chatbots enhancing customer service with instant AI responses. Again, as I aforementioned, it will help businesses work 24/7. I hope you enjoyed my first ever video. And if you want to know more, like and subscribe for more AI.